Nakabenta ki Khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki Khubor bamanta kasngi. Myntri Rangbah ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma ne kasngi ula Pynlait paitbah eki 10tylli ki bus school balit shaulet on yeki khana school share school bus system but eki kali kit nong jngokai prime tourist vehicles but prime agriculture response vehicles ha ka jingyalang kablalong ha susutham auditorium shillong ha bakran ha ka jingyalang Myntri Rangbah ula ong baga sustainable transport and efficient mobility society STEMS program kadai ka program ka ba Pynlait jingmun ha ka ban pinbyang yeki kali kit briu bat ban weng ye ka jingkhap nya ha ka nong ba shillong ka balong ka mat ka ba khya bha ngilaya tai halor ki ba bun ki jing ai jingmut ha ki snem ki bala dem bat ngilaya khun ting e ban weng ye ki jing e bat kham tam ha ba ka ne ka jing e kala nang yai mi bat he man la ka sngi bat kumta la ya tai sani bha ha ka ba dei bat ka STEMS program ong Myntri Rangbah kila don bun ki jing prashang ki bangila khmi bhnia bha bat la pinwan dur ha ka ka rukam ya ka jingdon kam jong ka nong ba shillong bat ya ka jingdon kam jong baro ki badan bentalang ha ka kam bat nganget scam ba ka ne ka program ka nong ka ba yat ben bat ka ba seiso ong ukonrat sangma ha ba pentim ba ya ka te ka program on sa pentre kamru wat ha ki we ki benta jong ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka ba ya dei bar ka prime agriculture response vehicles Myntri Rangbah ula ong ki nong rep kilamat bun ki jing e ha ka ban kit ye ki marrem jong ki shaki yo ki han ngila rai ba man la usnem ngin beteng ye ka program bat ngin persyang ban penyar ye ka jing shakri shaki kenhun jong ki nong rep khnang ba ki nong rep kindon ye ka network ka baklan ha ka jingket jingba ye ki marrem ka ban long ka jingyarap ye ki nong rep ong ukonran Myntri Rangbah ula ong ki prime tourist vehicles ki de ki sinjam ban kentiu ha ka liang jong ka kam jngok kai ban pinbiang ye ki kali na ka benta ki nong jngok kai bat ha ka juk ka por ban ai kam ai jam ya ki nong sem kam la jong Myntri Rangbah ula pen pauru ya ki jingthmu jong ka sarkar jilla ban pentre kam ye ki program bat ki project na ka benta ban weng ye ka jingdheng kali ha ka nong ba shillong hashwa ka ne ka CEO jong ka STEMS kong isa wanda lalu kala ong ba ki boss ki bala Pynlait kendai ki ban pendon kam da ki school ba pher ban nit on nit shaw ye ki khna ba da ki ne ki ju ki boss la ru ha ka ban pendon kam na ka benta ban kit ye ki nong tre sarkar bat ha ki sngi shuti la ban pendon kam ye ki te ki boss da ki nong wan jngok kai ka ban nong kalat ye ki te ki boss ban biang ka kamai ka kaji ka STEMS ka kenthop ye ki riu pau khmat na ka tana traffic police education transport district administration but urban affairs ki boss ki bala Pynlait paitbah ne kasngi ki dei ki badan 10tylli ki CCTV kamera bat ki badan ru ya ki GPS ki bala bantip ya ka jingdon ka boss ha ka nu ka jaka bat ki jingtip na ka benta ki nongshong ha ka boss bat ki LED screen ki ban pin ya ka linti ya jong ka bus ka NIC kan pin mi ya ka mobile application bat website na ka benta bantip ya ka let ka wan jong ka bus bat on pindon kam ya ka tana transport na ka benta ban shimwai ya ka bus bat ban khmi ya ki te ki bus bat ya ki nongnya bat ki nong sumar jong ki te ki bus on sa ai jing hikai da ka Meghalaya Skills Development Society.
Yes, so we are here today to distribute different buses to different schools, and this is being done as one of the initiatives to decongest the traffic situation in Shillong. And as we know that school times are the times when the maximum traffic congestion is there in Shillong. So we are hopeful that this entire project, which we are just starting the pilot phase, will initiate a much larger scale of buses being used to pick up and to drop children. And we're hopeful that this will create a more systematic flow of traffic in the city and would definitely help in the decongestion of the traffic in Shillong city. So this is just the first phase, and I'm happy that most of the schools have accepted it. And we're hopeful, as I said, that this will really give some relief, if not fully, some relief to the traffic congestion in the city.